What's up everyone, Electronic Search here. Back with another smoke detector testing video like we do every single month from now on. And you're currently staring at my new green screen, I guess I should call it, I don't know. And it's July 2nd, and I'm pretty sure we last tested it June 2nd. So let me get the carbon monoxide detector down first. The first alert. Alright, here we go. This is gonna be loud, so turn down your volume like we do each single month, I guess. Alright, here we go. 3, 2, 1. I'm gonna cover up the speaker, by the way, so not speaker, horn. And there we go. Alright, this one's good. And here's the back of it, because I have some people that tell me to show the back, so there it is. Alright, let's put it back up. Alright, the first alert is back up and working. Now we're gonna go down to the basement and test the two first alerts and the I-9060, the kitty carbon monoxide detector, and the other kitty carbon monoxide detector. The reason we're going down to the basement and not gonna test the upstairs ones is because I forgot my ladder down in the basement, so might as well just test the smoke and COs in the basement first before we go upstairs. And there's my ladder right there. Alright, let's go into the wall of China real quick. I'm not sure why I brought this downstairs. It's just gonna make it even more difficult to take it upstairs now. And most of you know we already have a cardboard fire alarm system in here, so we're gonna test that too, because technically, you know, CO and heat and smoke and more smoke and heat. So yeah. Okay, let's not do that, and let's just get the cardboard trash out of here. Alright, here's the carbon monoxide detector. Here's the model number of it. CO5-LP2. That's the model of this guy right here. And it's hard to believe, but we put this thing in here since April 12 and it's still working. So here we go. 3, 2, 1. Gonna cover up the horn on this one too. So here we go in 3, 2, 1. Alright. Yep, there's the green light. Alrighty. The I-9060. Alright, here we go in 3, 2, 1. Like so. Alright, we're just gonna put that right over here and let it reset, I think. I'm pretty sure, I don't know. Alright, we're done in the wall. So now give me this. And let me put it on the stairs, and let's do the 2 first alerts and the CO up there. So, this on the staircase. Alright, let's do the CO detector. I have to get it down first of all. So actually, never mind. Maybe that's a good thing that I brought this thing down. Alright, hold on. Alright, this one, let's do it. I'm gonna cover up the horn on this one too. So, here we go. 3, 2, 1. And alright, and now we're just gonna let it reset. I'm gonna put it right here temporarily, and then we're gonna put it back up there. Alright, while we're waiting on that, let's do the first alert. I have a model right here. Well, not really the model number, I should say the back of it. It's right here on screen currently right now. Because we actually had to take this one down so we can install the new water heater right there. So yeah. So let's go ahead and do this. 3, 2, 1. I'm not gonna be able to cover the horn on this one. So here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. Alright, it's not gonna give me a flash, I guess. Alright, the next first alert. Piece of junk. Alright, here we go in 3, 2, 1. Alright, time to get the ladder upstairs. Alright, let's go test the Nest Protect Gen 1. That is downstairs. Let me get this ladder upstairs first. Alright, got the ladder upstairs and it's set up. Let me just get my broom. Well, it's not really a broom. Alright.
Ready, in the kitchen. Press to test. This canceled.
Oh man.
Ready, in the kitchen. This canceled.
I'm pressing it 2 times.
Ready, this is only a test.
There we go.
2, 1. This is only a test. Testing smoke. Testing carbon monoxide. Just a moment. Finishing up. The test is finished. Everything looks good.
Alright, now that the ladder is upstairs. Alright, the one that we usually do at the beginning, but I forgot my ladder in the basement. Alright, here we go. With the broken horn. So let's test the interconnecting instead. Here we go in 3, 2, 1. Oh. Something doesn't look good with these. Alright, the Gen 1 that's upstairs.
Ready, in the hallway. Press to test. Canceled.
Oh my god, this thing has a problem where just this thing, not the protect.
Ready, in the hall. This is only a test.
There we go.
The alarm will sound. 1. This is only a test. Testing smoke. Testing carbon monoxide.
Alright.
Finishing up. Just a moment. The test is finished.
Alright, let's test the G6 with the working horn. We'll see if it interconnects with the other one. Here we go in 3, 2, 1. Alright, I heard it going off, so it's good. Alright, we're back to the one with the broken horn. Let's see if this one interconnects with the other one. Again, let's just try again. Alright, here we go in 3, 2, 1. Yes, it does, but it has a glitch or something in it. And other than that, we are complete. Like so. Alright. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you in August. So yeah. I'll see you guys in August 2nd, and goodbye. Thanks for watching.